Paano sagutin ang ganitong tanong? Yan ang tatalakayin natin ngayon. Hi there! Thank you for watching this video. This video is part of the series that I'm making for the incoming licensure examination for agriculture. If you are new to this video, kindly click the subscribe button below, like and share for you to be notified if I have new videos to be uploaded. Ang tatalakayin po natin ngayon is about agroeconomics and marketing on how to solve for equilibrium price. I'll be switching over to my PC to teach you how. Alright, ang talakayin natin ngayon is about agricultural economics and marketing. So yung nakita nating example sa thumbnail, tulad nito, the question na dun sa ating thumbnail, we have here the quantity demand is equals to 750 minus 15p, which stands for price, and the quantity supply is equals to negative 150 plus 30. P stands for price. Okay, so the question is, this is actually the given situation, the given equation. Okay, the quantity demanded and the quantity supply. So the real question here is that using the given equation above, no, yung equation na yan, using that equation, what is the equilibrium price of rice? When we talk about the equilibrium price of rice, when it comes to equilibrium, no, meaning kung saan sila nagkakatagpo, no, yung let's say yung market equilibrium, saan yung gitna, intersection nila. So that's the meaning of the equilibrium. And then I will discuss further for that if we already discuss about regarding sa law of demand and supply. So for now, yun lang muna ibigay kong meaning na equilibrium, okay? So yung ang hanapin natin ngayon dito is yung equilibrium price of rice. So that's the question. So now you don't have any price yet, no? Walang given na price. So ang given lang is yung quantity demanded and quantity supply. However, there is a word, or let's say there is acronym of price, which is P, no? So now let's take a look kung ano yung mga choices niya. Okay, we have here letter A 15, B 5, C 20, and D 90. So pag mga ganitong situation, pero lalong-lalo na pag di mo alam, no, ang ginagawa lang ang ginagawa na lang ng mga sumasagot pag hindi nila alam yung paano sagutin yung mga ganitong tanong, no, is magbibintot-bintot na lang sila, no, mag-mini-mini mo kung saan yung mas malapit, no, sa tingin nila ito malaki yung given na na situation. So ibig sabihin malaki din yung sagot. So baka posibleng ang sagot nila is D 90, or baka posibleng yung sagot nila is B 5 kasi nga baka maliit din ang kinalabasan. So wala tayong kasiguraduhan kung which talaga of these choices yung tamang sagot if we do not compute what's really the correct answer for this. Okay, so if you want to answer this question, you can hit pause para alam niyo naman pa, i-test niyo yung knowledge when it comes to this type of question, or baka mayroon kayong naalala yung statistics natin or algebra ba natin, ganon, yung mga ganong type of computation, your trigo ba natin, no, remembering the Cartesian plane, no, ganon, yung mga function of x, no, parang ganon lang ang pag-compute ng tanong na to, ng this type of question. Okay, so you can hit pause now. Go na sa ating discussion. Okay, so we have here the given. Okay, what is the given equation? The given equation is quantity demand is equal to 750 minus 15p. Quantity supply is equals to negative 150 plus 30p. So what is the statement asking for? The statement asking for equilibrium price. So nagtatanong siya about sa equilibrium price of this specific equation. So now we have here the formula. So we have here, may sinusunod kaming formula, which is yung quantity demanded is equals to quantity supply. Pero if you have another type of formula na mas madali para sa iyo, you can use that. But for me, I recommend this type of formula para mas madali ninyong maalala or mas madali siyang i-compute, no, i-compute ang ganitong klaseng tanong. Okay? So let's go na to our solution. So the solution on this question, we have the given, what the statement asking for, and we have also the formula. So using that formula, yung quantity D is equals to quantity supply. Para makuha natin yung price na yung P na yan, no? Alisin natin yung P dyan. Alisin natin yung mga value na may mga value ng P, no? before the price may mga value. So, tanggalin yan siya. Paano yan siya tanggalin? By using this kind of formula. Quantity D is equals to quantity supply. Okay? So, let's now substitute na kung ano yung quantity D and quantity supply. So, yung quantity D naman is 750. Lagay natin dyan 750 minus 15P is equals to 150. Negative 150 plus 30P. So, yung iba naman, lalong-lalo na yung mga baguhan pa sa mga ganitong pag-solve ng mga ng pag-solve ng mga ganitong klaseng tanong, no, nilalagay nila yung quantity demand dito sa gilid. Nilalagay nila din yung quantity supply dito sa gilid. Pero mas maigi ang ganito, no, mas malinis yung mas malinis pag ganito ang pagkagawa ng ating solution, no, yung paano tayo mag-solve para hindi naman tayo maguluhan. So erase natin yung ginawa natin. Erase natin para hindi siya magulo. Alright. Okay. So, yung pen na naman. Alright. So, yan. So, yan na. So, we have here 750 minus 15P is equals to negative 150 plus 30P. So, next is na ang gagawin natin is i-arrange natin sila, no? Since nandoon si isang P sa kabila and si isang P naman is nasa kabila. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon is magkakaroon ng palitan, no? Palitan ng place, no? Palitan ng place. I don't know what's really the term for that, no? Yung sa mathematics, kaya hindi naman kasi ako masyadong magaling dyan at hindi naman ako mathematics major, no? Basta palitan, ipapalit mo yung etong 30 na P na to, kasi mag-a-arrange ka ngayon. Ipapalit mo yan doon sa 15P para naman para pwede mo siyang i-solve, para pwede mo siyang i-plus or i-minus, whatever. Okay, kung gawin, pwede mo siyang i-times something ganun. Kasi nga, sa rule kasi ng plus and minus, kinakailangan parehas, meron ding parehas ng value, meron ding parehas yung variable niya. Pag PP talaga, pag A talaga, pag AB talaga, yung sa ating algebra, meron yan. So, we have here, so i-arrange na natin. So, we have here 30P. Since dito is positive siya, no, natin dito positive siya, so pagdating dito magiging negative siya. Pag i-change natin sa kabila, magiging negative si 30. Kasi nga, positive siya doon, pag i-change siya, that is negative 30. So, yan ang rule ng mathematics, no, yung rule ng equation kung paano siya i-transfer, no, si 30 doon sa kabila. Okay? Next naman is, pagpasensyahan nyo na ako sa mga term na ginagamit ko kasi I really don't know. Basta ang importante, nakakasolve ka, importante na kukuha mo yung sagot. Yun ang pinaka-importante sa lahat because I don't know what's really the term for that as long as maintindihan nyo lang po on how to compute this kind of question. Okay? So, we have here also, since if 750 naman dito is positive siya, so pagdating niya sa kabila, it's become negative 750. So, ibig sabihin yan ngayon, nilagyan ko siya ng parenthesis because here kasi plus siya. So, ibig sabihin, pagdating dito is negative 750 na siya. So, paano siya i-compute? So, later na i-compute natin kung paano siya. Paano ba siya na-compute? It's either plus or minus ba siya? But sa rule ng plus and minus, as long as na may ganito, no, yung iba hindi na nilalagyan ng negative, no, ang ginagawa na nila, change na ito into positive, into negative. Okay? So, into negative. Change na nila yan into negative. Okay, next is we have now, i-minus natin kasi pwede naman itong ma-minus yung negative 30 minus 15, no? Kasi pares naman silang variable, pares din sila ng variable, so pwede na silang i-minus dalawa. So, we have here negative 45P. So, pag negative, pares ng negative, so dapat positive yan. So, plus yan siya. So, therefore, negative 30 plus negative 15, no? It's equals to negative 45. Kung sa ano pa yan, may utang ka na 30 plus yung utang mo pa na 15, no, it's equals to negative 45. Ibig sabihin, yung utang mo is negative 45. So, ibig sabihin, yung utang mo is 45 na. 45 pesos na. So, now we have here the negative 150 plus and then open parenthesis, negative 750 close parenthesis. Now, on how to solve this one, so ipa-plus lang silang dalawa. Since ito negative din man, no, then ito dalawa siya is negative din man. So, ang pagsosolve nito is going to be an addition, no? Isa sa ipi-plus lang sila. Kukunin mo yung sum nila. So 150 plus 750 is equals to 900. Okay? So negative siya because negative both sides. Both naman sila is negative. Ayan. Next naman is, so it's negative 900. So next naman, ang gagawin natin para matanggal si 45 at maiwan na si P dito, because this is what we need lang naman is si price lang naman. Para matanggal si negative 45 na value dun sa kay P, ang gagawin natin is magdi-divide tayo. Paano? By dividing into 45. Okay? Negative 45 divided by dun sa kabila, no? Negative 45 din. So we have here, since we have the same naman, negative 45 divided by negative 45 is equals to 1. So, i-slash natin sila. I-slash out natin. So, pag 1, so pag P, consider na yan as 1. Okay? So, we have my value na 1 sa gilid niya. And then, equals to, ang may iwan na ngayon, i-divide natin is yung negative 900 divided by negative 445. Ngayon, sa rule ng division, no, pag negative divided by negative is equals to positive. So, ganon. So, pag positive naman, divided by negative is equals to negative. Dito, sa rule ng division dito is that pag negative divided by negative is equals to positive. So, ibig sabihin, ang sagot niyan, no, ang gagawin mo na lang is 900 divided by 45, no, is equals to 20. Since parehas naman silang negative, it is positive now. So, therefore, price is equals to 20. So, yun lang naman ang hinahanap doon sa ating statement. What is the equilibrium price for this equation? Okay, so now let's now go back din sa ating question. Quantity D, demand is equal to 750 minus 15P. Quantity supply is equals to negative 150 plus 30P. Using the given equation above, what is the equilibrium price of rice? Since we already have the computation, so letter A, 15, B, 5, C, 20, D, 90. So, we have already the question. So, the correct answer is 20. So, that is the correct. Hindi ka na kailangan mag-eliminate because you already have the correct answer. Kasi nga, nag-compute ka. No? Kung na tama yung compute mo at sakto naman dun sa mga sa choices na meron dito sa equation na ito. Paano kung malayo, no? Paano kung bakit malayo ang aking computation? Bakit ang layo sa mga choices, no? Meron ba, bakit hindi nagkakatugma, no? Hindi talaga pasok doon sa ano. Bakit may sobra na 0.5 point ganon. So, kung sa tingin niyo, sa akin kasi pagkakasagot ko ng mga ganong type of question, pag sa feeling ko na malayo siya, no? Malayo siya doon sa pag-compute ko, and then malayo yung sagot ko doon, hindi nagkatugma yung sagot ko doon sa choices, no, hanapin ko yung mas malapit, no, mas malapit doon sa sagot ko. For example, let's say ang computation ko dito, example is 19.5, ganun. So if saan ba yung mas malapit? 19.5. So si 15 ba o si 20? Si 20. So siyempre yung pinakamalapit is 20 kasi nga 19.5 and 0.5 na lang ang kulang para maging 20. Ganun. So that is an example lang pag may maranasan kayong mga ganyan, kasi walang ibang choice yung mga nagsosolve, lalo na pag napapagod na, no, pag napapagod ng mag-compute hindi pa rin nakukuha yung tamang sagot, hindi pa rin natutugma dun sa choices, no. Minsan kasi may mga ganyang question na pahirapan lalo na sa mga choices na lalo naman sa computation na hindi naman nagkakatugma-tugma yung mga sagot. So yun lang ang sagot, no, yun lang ang paano i-compute yung ating equation na to. And meron din na i-post ko din sa group chat, no, kung ang hinahanap naman din is quantity supplied, no. Quantity supplied, what is the quantity supplied of rice? So, yun, by using this price, no, you already have the price, no, i-substitute mo na lang since you have already here the equation, no. So, hinahanap niya na naman is yung quantity supplied. Kasi meron din kasi kahit isang equation lang, no, ibibigay sa inyo, given equation, guys, meron yan, may mga following na questions yan. Merong 3-4 na tanong na regarding lang sa isang equation. Example lang, pag maka-encounter kayo ng mga ganyan. So, dapat alamin nyo talaga on how to to answer those questions. Dapat i-analyze nyo talaga on how to answer those questions kasi yung given is nandyan lang naman. Ibig sabihin, ang sagot sa tanong na yun is nasa tanong lang din, no, yung sagot na yun, okay?
Alright, I hope marami po kayo natutunan sa discussion po natin today. And do not forget, subscribe, click the subscribe button below, and also the notification bell for you to be notified if I have a new videos to be uploaded. And do not forget this verse. Lagi po nga alalahanin natin that always put God first. Bye-bye for now.